For week 10, I started by adding a second entry to the list of operations. I added 2 lists of projects. I also added a case 2 list of projects. I created the method list projects, which prints projects. It also prints the project ID and the project name. I also updated the project services by creating a fetch all projects method, which calls the fetch project on the project DAO. I also updated the project DAO. I created a fetch all method. I wrote a SQL statement. I obtained a connection with a try-in resource. And then I did a prepared statement and a result set. And then I returned projects. I'm going to run now. Control menu selection 2. And then I have a list of my projects. I created a list, the third list of operations to select project, and added a case 3 select project and a break. I also created a select project method, which asks the user to enter a project ID and stores it as an instance variable. I also updated the project DAO. I added the fetch project by ID method, which returns all columns from the project table in the row that matches the given project ID. I also created the 3 methods to return the material steps in categories. The fetch step for project, fetch materials for project, and the fetch categories for project. I also used MySQL CLI to add categories, steps, materials to the project. Now I'm going to run projects app. I'm going to select number 3. Projects 1. You're working with project. Now I'm going to run using an invalid number. Select 3. Project. The project ID 99 does not exist.